Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, we are learning how to change subtitle color on Plex. Plex lets you fully customize subtitle appearance, including color, so that you can watch comfortably on any screen. In order to do that, first of all, open the Plex application on your device and log in. Once you're logged into the home page of Plex, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner. From the expanded menu, click on Profile. After you get to your profile, click the Edit Profile button from the top of the screen. Now, from the Edit Profile section, click on Account. Under Account, click on Subtitles. Now, under Subtitles, tap on Subtitle Color. Now, choose the subtitle color you want to change to. You can choose your preferred color from white, yellow, black, and every other colors available on this page. Go ahead and choose whatever subtitle color you'd like to use, and once you do that, you will be able to change your subtitle color immediately. Now you can get back to the home page, select one of the shows, and see if your subtitle color has been changed. So that is how you can easily change the subtitle color on Plex, making your viewing experience more comfortable and personalized. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.